7:30 in the morning. Got birds chirping. You know, the occasional car noise, but otherwise pretty peaceful and experience.
Fellow campers are pretty quiet.
Yeah, we're not hearing a lot of noise from fellow campers. Yeah, this is the first weekend where the wife and I have got away alone together. So traditionally would have had the kids, but they've opted to stay at home. They're old enough to stay at home this time. So.
Morning. Just trying to clean up some dead bugs. The sun is beautiful and bright.
It is very beautiful and bright.
There is a lot of bugs at this campsite, but they didn't bite, so they were attracted to the UV light.
Yep.
So we could catch a lot. But I don't know if they were attracted to it or if there was just so many that they ended up in it. Could be the case.
So the view from our camp. So we've got a couple of other vanners just over to the left. They're probably a good couple of 100 metres away. And then a large water expanse. So not a bad spot, to be honest, to wake up to this of a morning. Saying that they've had a good rain recently. Before that, apparently the dams were really low out here. So there's the bright sun. Apologies if you're getting a bit of lens flare. J.J. Abrams. The mighty Prado. Obviously do the pan back for the van. We're a few k's off the road, but you can still hear the trucks going by. So the black plastic mat under the back of the trailer. So we had our first road stone incident on the way out on Friday night, so we didn't think it was as bad, but we lost about 100 litres of water. It tagged one of the water tank pipes through the protective covering, so they've got that black conduit that sits over top of them. If we just have to look under there, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Collectively, might have to boost it, but yeah, where the taping is, it had a little pinprick of a hole and was just the water pressure alone was spewing out of there at a mass rate. So yeah, which is frustrating. Anyway, the water on the mat's actually from the heater. So you can see there, just a little bit of condensation coming out of there, and the troomer runs all night. Bloody brilliant. Kept us nice and warm. Just had a very shallow dew point last night, so very single digits, and it was nice to be able to step into a trailer that was nice and warm after getting away from a nice warm campfire. We just wanted an experience with our trailer that was hassle free. You know, I should be sitting on 90% battery power right now, because we want to explore further, and hence why we've optioned up some of the things that we did. So we run a 200 amp hour lithium BTEC Enerdrive system. It's all Enerdrive.
Sorry.
It's alright, coffee machine is fine.
Coffee machine, but
The 2000 watt AC inverter, so that way we can have the coffee machine while we're away. Obviously the fridge draws about 10% overnight, so you could say it runs up to about 20 amps, which is fine. That's, you know, over a 12-hour period, that's a pretty decent, I think, reasonable amount of use. It's not exactly hot, so it's not exactly working hard. We've got it set to fridge at the moment, which tends to use up less power. The moment you dive it in the freezer, it really does pull on the juice. You're probably going to use, you know, an extra 10 to anything up to an extra 10% per night running freezer at negative 18 degrees. Again, depending on temperature that's out. So, but yeah, majoritively done well. The gas bottle on the front is probably close to being due for replacement, so we're just going to have some breakfast first. Can you see the condensation?
No, it's been drying mine. Oh no, a little bit. Yeah, still got.
Yep.
a trick for new campers. I know you can't see it. I don't.
No, I won't be able to see it, but you can tell it.
Yeah, you can feel it. It's just as the curve. Condensation just as the curve. So we didn't realise it was that easy to check your gas every morning.
So yeah, so you can just feel on the tank where the condensation is every morning, and then work out what you've got.
Looking around, what we're wearing. This is winter in Queensland.
Yeah, this is.
Outback Queensland.
So in terms of timing, we just had the first wave of restrictions, so we could actually go out and travel after 4 PM Friday. So that's what we did. We literally hit the road. I think we got away about 5 o'clock, which made us a little bit later than what we wanted to get here. Ideally, we wanted to be here around 7-ish, and yeah, unfortunately, it was about 8 o'clock by then. Alright, so part of the pack up. Nice and simple. Literally, just wind the legs up. So a little addition to the trailer that we added with those little rubber corner spots there. As you can see, they're just, otherwise you'd be metal on metal. So
and the wood chops.
And the, oh yeah, everybody uses wood chocks. Just makes it advantageous. You're not scratching up the metal. Kind of discovered it after the first time that we went to use it, that was the thing. That one you've got to close the door for, otherwise you can't wind the feet up. Not that this one winds down too far anyway. Just go around the other side. Follow our gorgeous assistant. Hey?
This one's still a different one. Whether we should change them all to be the same or not. The spares are in under the bed. It was our first, one of our first trips we lost it.
It was the first trip that we lost it, yeah.
Putting that leg down on unstable ground.
Yep. It moved.
A couple of times, didn't it?
Yeah, we had a very stormy night, and I think just having people in the trailer getting out of the storm added extra weight, and it moved, so broke the plastic, but that's okay. Everything else kind of works.
Did you leave that blue? You want to put that? Hey. Just hanging these towels back up to dry a bit more while we travel. See if they stay there. So we've still got headroom enough to manoeuvre around in here. And at a pinch, if there was lots of rain, we didn't want to put the roof up, and we wouldn't have to.
tester will be very good to stay high.
The water's definitely come on. See, that's all the water in now.
Yeah, we didn't go there. We didn't hit the tree line, remember? So you timber things over to your left.
Oh yeah, that's right. Awesome. I'm curious to see what it's like at Christmas time. So that's a damn one.
Yeah.
So this is a grass as well.
So this is where we're going to be.
Yeah, with that high place over there. A little bit of a lane. Some birds that life there to take. It's a nice open area. So, orange ones are really popular.
Did you stop recording?
I haven't.
Angela's just getting out to do the rubbish. Be responsible, people. We did find some litter, just a plastic bottle, down by the water's edge. So, not saying that it was Camper here that did it, but again, if we can all take the time just to pick this rubbish up, we'll be doing a lot better for ourselves.
Rubbish gone. Bugs. If all these trees are dead because the water gets up here as well when it's full. I'm just gonna hop out and I'll pass this over to the person.
That's the third time that Angela's opened the gate the wrong way. I was just saying that's the third time you've opened the gate the wrong way.
Did I open the gate the wrong way?
Yeah. You did it 3 times so far.
Does it matter which way?
I don't know, but you keep opening it towards you and then you keep walking.
Yeah, because it looks like it shouldn't go that way. Anyway.